Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Ain't even gotta impress me. If the main goal is to undress me, that's the only thing that I'm addressing. At the Hollywood like you inventing, as if you wasn't eating me for breakfast. Stop talking to me, listen when I'm venting. I'm the one who mess up on your bedding. You're pointing fingers at me like I'm selfish. But you only call me when you're alone. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away. I'ma make you shine, Johnny Dano, when we know. We gon' make a movie real bad, Tarantino. Take you right up out of them chinos. You gon' spend the night, wake up icing cappuccinos. I'm open up in Vegas, then we honeymoon in Reno. Got me down bad, baby, feeding for your Pinot. Baby, don't distract me. Only call me when you're alone. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. And by the end in the map, like what's the point of coming back? I'm down bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last. Oh, tattoos matching, make me snort.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Erica, known as E. Thank you for joining me. I'm all into fitness, health, beauty, well, all that good stuff. It is currently 8 o'clock. As you can see, I went ahead and just started with the workout. I woke up really just tired. Like, this is where the discipline part comes in, because I was like, oh my gosh, I do not want to get out of this bed. But I've been working out early in the morning before I log into work for like over a year now, and I work 2 full-time jobs, so I'm completely burnt out. But nothing lasts forever. Right now I'm about to get some protein in. I am at the point now where I am trying to build my glutes, so I'm about to probably eat a yogurt. That's the only thing that doesn't mess up my stomach for the rest of the day. If I do a shake or a protein bar, my stomach is like fucked up. And it makes sense because like that's processed protein, I think. The vegan one, I don't know. But the yogurt, I be good. So these are pretty good. I usually like to do the Chobani ones though, just the 20 grams. Let's see this. It's fine. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and scarf this down really quick before I jump in the shower and I get to work. So I will most likely see y'all when I'm off. I do get my Harlow today for the weekend. I'm gonna also try and get some weekend content as well. Not really with her, because that's like our precious time together. And I want to be present while I'm with her. So, but I get a little bit of stuff because I want to do more lifestyle. It's more fun, to be honest. I like the fitness and working out. I'm gonna always do that, but trying to get it right while you're working out, it takes so much longer. And sometimes I really don't be having the time. Like today, I woke up super late and I'm back at 8 o'clock. I walked to the apartment gym. So if I had really got up on time, I would have been back by like 7 something and still had some good time to like decompress, get some more steps in, watch a couple of, my favorite fitness vloggers before work. But now now I can't really do much before work, and I don't like that. So but yeah, I'm about to do that, and I will check in with y'all later.
There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty, game was so bad. Toy with my.
All right, y'all. So I kind of sucked at bringing y'all with me today. One thing is because I'm a little under the weather, so I was focused on staying warm. Also, it is cold raining. So yeah, I was just trying to get in places and get out. Right now I'm at home. I am going to pick up Harlow in a little bit. That's what's going on. I am off tomorrow, which is good. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I know I'm just supposed to be doing something. That's none of y'all's business. But anyway, I'm definitely going to the gym tomorrow. Update, I did not go to the gym. I actually couldn't do anything because I started feeling bad. So I had to stay home on my day off and not do a fuck thing. I was annoyed.
People nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise to drive the period. Oh, he in love. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my collar, we stacking up wallow and guala and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got stones in my right and left. And you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scholars, really in a prison. 150 flying, with you mellow. Come on, put the game into his temple. Because I spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm
Hey y'all. Today is February the 4th. Yeah, I've been pretty sucky with putting out anything for real because first I want to, of course, edit better, upgrade my videos a bit. I am going to get like a camera and a MacBook. Also, the other thing that's been like really messing me up is the weather. So, and being sick. December and January, me and my daughter were just sick. Like, she was sick all December and then got sick again in January. I was sick in December and then got sick again in January. And then it has been snowing every weekend pretty much in North Carolina. Not every weekend, but for the past 2 weekends, it has snowed. It is supposed to snow again today. But I did wake up. I did a little makeup for the gym for the first time. I really like it because I only go to the gym in the grocery store and then home. Like literally, I work from home, so I only go to the gym. So it was really nice to like get up and do a little something, like nothing too crazy. But yeah, that's what has been going on, and just cabin fever, seasonal depression. It's all been horrible. And carrying life, because y'all know life gets a little crazy. Like adulting is so ghetto. And then having to deal with that in addition to being an addict. Oh my God, I would wish it on my worst enemy. This shit like really sucks. Like you already have to deal with everything else, and it's like, oh, throw in that you're alcoholic on top of it. I am still sober. I don't plan on like not being sober. I don't plan on getting back to act, because I know if I were to drink again, I would definitely. I mean, I'm an alcoholic, so. But it makes everything a little more difficult, if that makes sense. It's just the weight of that and being a mom and then just grieving so much. I'm so tired of grieving, y'all. Whether it's the death of like loved ones or relationships and friendships being over, I am so sick of grieving. Like, it is insane. I feel like I'm constantly grieving. I'm grieving right now off some shit that just happened yesterday. I kid you not. I'm about to cry. Like, I'm not gonna cry on camera, but I'm literally like, what the fuck? Like, why can't I catch a break? I just want to be at peace and happy and healthy and be in the gym and love. But I just feel like everything is at such an expense. And it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. It just really sucks. But anyway, I just wanted to be transparent for a moment. I do not want to make this a pity party, because nothing lasts forever. I just can't wait till spring and get me and my kid out more and whatnot and just work out more. Everything in the video is a little broken up. I do apologize about that as well. I was trying to make it longer. Filming your workouts is annoying as hell. I'm not gonna lie. I really would have to get used to that. I loved editing, but the filming part really pisses me off. So I'm gonna have to figure out something. I am definitely gonna do better because, like I said, this is for me to track and keep progress, but I also want my videos to be more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Like, seriously, like for me. Right now they're raggedy as fuck. You know, everything takes practice. We'll work on that, but I will definitely get more consistent once like the season would just get itself together. Since the weather has been crazy, my daughter's schedule is all over the place. So she's been bouncing back between me and her dad. We both do work from home, so we have to keep her while we're working. And then the snow. So it's like, you're just constantly at home and then being snowed in with a toddler. Love her, but it's not ideal. It's not ideal. But nothing lasts forever. My baby will be 3 tomorrow. I can't believe I gave birth to a whole person and that person will be 3 tomorrow. I can't believe it. I'm so thankful for her. This is the end. Thank you for letting me chop it up a little bit. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please give me tips. On a lighter note, peace, love, and blessings. And I'll see y'all soon.